Hey there, business managers. My name is Rocky Garza, and not only will I be spending some time with you all during our main keynote, but we're going to have a special workshop dedicated just to you guys. And when we do that, we're going to kind of take a deeper dive into the topic that we're going to cover during our keynote session. And we're really going to look at ourselves. We're really going to look at to see, is there a place where there is fear or doubt or obstacle or insecurity? How we identify that, how we kind of dig it up, if you will, and look at it, identify what it is, realize what is not true about it, define what is true about it, and to begin to build a life that we really believe in. And so I'm really excited about the chance to dive deeper specifically with you, not only to help you uncover things about you and your identity, but how that translates into your daily life, how that translates into your team, and then what are tools and resources that we can equip you with to make sure that you can go back and continue to lead the people on your team in a way that you really desire.